Guys, so we got a set of naters, 29.5s we're gonna throw on. Brand new set. Just finished putting them on the rims. So we're gonna put them on and take it for a little joyride in the snow. Alright, so we just got the first front two on. It's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna get the backs on and then see what it looks like. All right, so we just got all four of them on. I'm gonna pull it out. Oh. We'll be fine. Oh, I guess that's not even compressed yet. Holy shit. Oh, we're chilling. We got like a finger gap. So I think it looks pretty good with these tires.